Meow, meow. Now is activity hat.
This is not wet, this is dry.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now is activity head. The air around us has weight and it presses against everything it touches. That pressure is called air pressure. In this video, we will see experiments related to air pressure. In this video, the force of air pressure pushing up on the cardboard is greater than the force of gravity pulling the cardboard down.
This is not wet, this is dry.
In this experiment, the air pressure in the glass prevents the water from entering. Once the candle runs out of oxygen, the flame goes out and the air in the glass quickly cools and contracts. This creates a low pressure inside. Now, where is the high pressure? Right, it's outside. So the outside air pushes water into the glass until the pressure is equalized. Thank you for watching my video. Keep supporting my efforts by giving a thumbs up. Much love, Navi.